Hi everyone, welcome back to Grow Kit. So it's absolutely stunning day today. It's 25 degrees Celsius. We're in mid Wales here. It's absolutely lovely. So I've been busy today. I wasn't going to do a video, but I decided I'd just do a little video, show you what I've been up to. So I've been planting out some tomato plants. I don't know if you can see them along this row here. So I've got a few more to do, and I'm going to put some sunflowers in as well. And I'll just give you a quick update on everything as well. I'll take you over to the greenhouse in a bit and show you what's going on. So I'll invite you to join me today. We'll have a little potter around, get some bits done, and yeah, I hope you're all well. So we'll get cracking, guys, and I'll get back to you in a minute. Okay guys, so this is one of the tomatoes I'm going to be putting in here. So I'm just going to take off these two seed leaves that are on here. And when I put this in, I'm going to put it up to about there. So it's the same as with most things. I'm spacing these out about a foot apart. So I'll just dig the hole for it. Okay, so we're almost there with that one. See some good roots on that one. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to bury them down to about there. So I'll just stick him in. Okay. If you can see that, I buried it down to where the seed leaves were. I've tried to bury them as deep as I can. So I've got a row of tomatoes along there. I'll think about supporting them when they get a bit bigger. There's not much point in me putting anything in at the moment. I think when I come to it, I'll probably put a post either side and just run a bit of wire along it, and then obviously drop the wires to each plant. So I'm just going to get the rest of the tomatoes done, and then I'll show you how I do the sunflowers. Alright, so I'm also going to stick in a couple of these pepper plants. I've got plenty of these, and these are just the smallest two that I've got. Basically the same as with anything really, except for I'm not going to bury the stems on these because the peppers don't really like it. So we'll get that done. Okay guys, so we've got the row of tomatoes in along here, and I've stuck pepper in there and a pepper in there. These are just sweet peppers, mixed varieties, so I'm not sure which ones they are, but they're mixed. So I'm going to move on to the sunflowers next, and I've got 3 sweet corn, which is the only ones that came up from the 6 seeds that I put in. So I'm just going to do a little group of 3 sweet corn in here somewhere. We'll see how they go. So I'll get started on that, and then I'll get back to you in a second. Okay guys, so that's all of the planting out done for today. So we've got the row of tomatoes along here with the peppers, 2 peppers there, and I'll put a row of sunflowers along the back there, and the sweet corn just where the trowel is there. I'll show you everything else, how everything's doing. So these are beetroot and turnips that me and the kids have been sowing, and put some seeds in here. We've got carrot, beetroots, Radishes are the ones that started coming up. Parsnips and something else in there. And Chinese cabbage where that string is. Cauliflower and lettuce. These are onion and garlic, which I grew last year, which I just chucked back in. So hopefully some of them will go to seed, because I plan on saving seeds from these. There's 6 rows of onions in here. They're doing alright. They're a bit, some of them are, I don't know why some of them always fall over and go floppy, and some of them are perfectly fine. Seems to happen most times I try and grow onions, but we'll see how they go. And there's 3 rows of garlic in there as well. So these will be ready in another month or so, hopefully, maybe a bit longer. They're getting pretty big. So see how they go. I'll take you over here. So this is raspberry bush. So I'm hoping for some raspberries on this year, because we've got plenty of flowers on it. And I haven't had a crop from this yet. The birds keep beating me to them. So we'll see how it goes. And the rhubarb. Haven't harvested any of this year. It's not ideal in a pot really. It needs to go in the ground, I think would be better. But there's a couple of good ones I could harvest. We've got grapevine cuttings in here. The seed sown ones died when we had the frost, but they're coming back. They'll come back. Hopefully they'll be fine. It's a currant bush. Plenty of flowers and berries on here. The fig trees. It's regrowing from the bottom now because the frost killed all the buds on it. So, but it has got new buds here and here, and the end of this died. We'll see how they go. Same with that one. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, it has got new buds coming. And another currant there. But this one's not really done much this year. And grapevine. Again, the frost got this one as well. But it has new growth. So again, we'll see how that one goes. And finally, along here's the gooseberry bush. So I've got a fair few on there. So I'm looking forward to some gooseberries this year. They're all the currant cuttings, which I've been showing you recently. And the strawberries. Plenty of flowers on here. We lost a fair few because of the frost. The centre of them goes black. It means they're no good. Yeah, but so there's plenty more. So we should still have a good crop of strawberries, hopefully. There's another couple here which the frost has got to. So I'll just take them off. And more should come through. Just 2 more strawberries there. So I'll take you over to the greenhouse, try and get some footage from in there, if my phone will allow it, if it doesn't overheat again. Okay guys, I'm going to have to do this as quickly as I can, because my phone keeps overheating and cutting out halfway through, so right, we'll start on this side. These are marigolds, doing well. Both watermelons still going well. Got flower on that one. My 3 tomatoes, these are going to go in the greenhouse, these ones, and the 2 watermelons. So they're doing good. Starting to get some suckers coming through, so keep having to take them off. More French marigold. Sunflower challenge sunflowers. They're all up, doing well. I'm going to take out the weaker ones of these, so I don't disturb the roots. Chuck them out for the chickens. I'll leave them 2 for now because they're both about equal. There's more flowers in there, which my wife's sown. I don't know what they are. Can't remember. Sweet Williams. And peppers. We've got mixed varieties as well as Frigatello, which is an Italian variety. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to put a couple of them in the greenhouse and then bung the rest of them outside in the ground somewhere, see how they go. There's 4 more second sowing of tomatoes and 2 cucumbers. Along here is French cabbage, Chinese cabbage. They took a while to come up, but they're going now. More French marigolds. Swedes, so we've got plenty of Swedes to put out. I'm going to let them get a little bit bigger and then I'll be putting them out. I did have leeks sown in here, but they didn't come up. So I've sown some spinach in here. Saying that, there's one of the leeks that's come up. Cornflowers, not looking too great. Haven't got anywhere to put them yet, so hopefully they'll perk up. They were completely dried out about 5 minutes ago. So this is the 3rd sowing of tomatoes, so I'm definitely getting some tomatoes this year. I made sure of it. These are the Big Max pumpkins. So they'll be going outside in the ground somewhere in the next week or 2. And the carrots that I sowed in here, these are for baby carrots. These are the red cord ones, so they're all doing really well in there. Obviously we're not going to get any massive carrots because this is only about 6 or 7 inches deep, so as long as I get some nice baby carrots, that'd be great. And beetroot, I'm not going to thin these out, just going to let them do their thing in here. Apparently they do, you can leave them as they are. They might take a bit longer to grow, but they'll spread out and stuff, and you can harvest them as you go along. And if you want smaller ones, just come and grab a few small ones. And the carrots on this side are not doing as well. I don't think they get as much light down here. Plus there's different variety. This is an early variety, so might not be enjoying the heat as much as the other ones. And these are sorry looking radishes. We have harvested a fair few of these already, but again we've had a problem with flea beetle this year. Alright, so that's it for in here. Okay everyone, so that's it for today. So thanks a lot for watching everyone. So we've got the tomatoes planted out, we've got the sunflowers planted out, a couple of pepper plants, and I've updated you on everything. I'm sorry if some of the footage is a bit funny. My phone kept cutting out because of it was overheating in the sun. So I'll have to see how the footage goes. I'll show you as much as I can. So anyway, as I said, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you'll subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode, guys. Have a great day. See you later.